Hi, I'm Christos from Diddify, the easy folding pushchair company. This month we're actually celebrating our 5th birthday. But as a result of that, we've got a couple of very exciting things to tell you all and showcase to you all. A couple of new products that we'll be bringing to market over the next few weeks. I'm going to give you a very sneak peek today. But before I do that, I'll tell you a little bit more about Diddify and take you through some of the products that are already in the market. So as Diddify, everything we do is about making it very easy to fold your pushchair. Traditionally, pushchairs are quite complex to fold. They either need 2 hands, you need to put the baby down. There's some sequence that you have to remember, and it's quite stressful. And we don't really want to have stressful new parents. They're stressed enough as it is, so we just want to eliminate all of that, and that's what we do. Everything that you're going to see today is so easy to fold, very one-handed, and still be able to hold the baby. It's been quite interesting since the last 5 years. We're constantly being told by many parents who went through the process before our existence, telling us stories about, I wish you were in existence when I had my child because, and then they tell us a story about them in the supermarket car park, unable to fold their stroller, stressing out, baby's crying, end up just sort of picking it up open and throwing it into the car somehow, or issues of trying to fold their stroller in a restaurant or a cafe. All this stress, all these unnecessary problems are gone when it comes to the Diddify. That's what we do. Make it very simple. So I'll tell you a little bit about the models that we currently have in the market. The first I'm going to tell you about is the Lotus. The Lotus is our premium product. What's so special about the Lotus? Well, it's the fold. It's a Diddify product. This particular model it just folds itself. You press a button and it closes, and you press a button and it opens up again for you. You literally, all you have to do is just press the button. It's also got a whole load of other very cool and unique features built into it, but one to highlight because it's so hugely popular is that it's got a mobile phone charger built into it. As a travel system, it was very recently on This Morning show where they did a segment on the nursery sector of the must-have tech products. So that was on there, which was fantastic. It's won a few awards as well over the years, as has the Cosmos, which is currently Dazznet Gold and listed for others such as Mother and Baby Best Pushchair and the Progressive Preschool Awards, which is also great. But on the Lotus itself, I don't have it here to show you, which is a shame today, but we'll be more than happy to schedule and install meetings or via Zoom if you want to learn more about the Lotus. This model I've got here, inside of me here, is our Cosmos travel system. It's our entry market level travel system, and it has a unique fold, as you would expect with Diddify, one-handed. I'll start by just showing you that. So it's put the brake on just here. It's a nice easy flip-flop friendly brake. It's as simple as releasing the catch on the seat, let it do itself. The frame. It's got an extra little lock in here, so if you want to lock it, put it in the car so it doesn't pop open, that's easily done. And to open it, it's equally as easy. You just lift up the frame. So as you can see, everything I'm doing, it's one hand, very easy. That's the premise of everything. We actually call this particular folding system, I'll do it again for you, the gravity fold system. Simple as that. It's so easy. It's actually the easiest demo that any retailer would have to do. So I'll show you some of the other very cool features that we've got within the Cosmos. So first of all, quite a large hood, as you can see as it is, but there's an extra panel. It's unzipped here, comes down very far. It's also got the extra ventilation in here to keep baby cool during the summer. It's particularly popular. It's got standard features as you expect from a travel system. Peekaboo window, but with magnets just to keep that noise down for baby. You're trying to peek on them. Another little cool feature that we've got. Try and turn it this way so you can see. If I just push it down, so it's a very simple lie flat, and it actually is lie flat from birth. However, most people will take our carry cot, which I'll show you later. There's an extra cool little feature in here, ventilation, as I mentioned earlier. That whole side comes in, keep an eye on baby as well as it being nice and cool. Back on there like that. All the wheels are one click to release, very, very simple, all of them, and then there's some nice built-in suspension. Hopefully you can kind of see that. Other features, 5-point harness as one would expect, but then there's also the bumper bar, gated, can also come completely off. And then there's a footrest, just got 3 separate positions to allow for the lie flat as well. It's got a very large basket. Hopefully you can see that in there. And also there's 3 different tiers for the handlebar, including the most raised one here, which actually goes to 110 centimetres height, which is quite tall. For the travel system itself, you've got the seat, it's completely reversible seat as you'd expect, and also it folds with the seat on both directions, which is quite convenient for all parents. I'll just swap this out and show you the carry cot. So as you'd expect, from birth carry cot up to 6 months. It's quite a light carry cot, it's just over 3 kilograms. It's got the apron that's fully removable in there as well, but it's got particular padding in here, so it's very, very snug, very, very comfy for baby. In fact, I'm going to just remove that and try and show you a little bit easier. Hopefully you can see some of this extra padding in here. It's very snug in there for baby. No extra adapters, clip straight in, nice and easy. Simple as that. So as you can see, this is the navy colour. You saw the grey just before in the seat, and there's also a nice green colour, which we've got here from the car seat. So 3.2 kilogram from birth car seat. All the features that one would expect, but one of the important things is that there's no additional adapters. It clips straight in. One of the pet peeves that often parents have. Car seat, it's got 3 separate positions in here for the baby, and the hood here is completely removable, comes out, so summer months it could be have sort of lots of air for baby. There is also, as you can just see here, our Asta fixed base that fits perfectly with the car seat. So the recommended retail price for the Cosmos is $599 for the whole thing. So just that clarify, that's the pushchair with the seat, the carry cot, the car seat, the Isofix base, 8-foot muff, and also the rain cover, all for $599. Individually, everything can be sold, so it's $350 for the pushchair with the seat, additional $75 recommended retail price for the carry cot, $75 for the car seat, and $100 for the base. So I mentioned earlier, we've got a couple of new products that we want to tell you about, give you a very sneak peek before we formally launch them over the next few weeks. And the first one is it's a sister product to the Cosmos. So it's called the Cosmos Bloom, and it's essentially a very similar product but upgraded. It's got a lot of additional features on there. It's got the styling, leatherette finishing, upgraded fabrics, the very, very high-end fabrics, slightly different look and feel to it. And it's also got a couple of different chassis styles. You've got the anodized frames in rose gold, as well as the silver finish. It's very much upgraded as a pushchair, but there's also a completely different carry cot, different styling, same again to match in terms of fabrics and the frame colours, etc, etc. But also inside it's going to be even more snug and actually be suitable for regular overnight sleep. It's going to come as a full travel system or individual components in a very similar way to the Cosmos. But as a full travel system, it's going to retail at £750, and that's going to include everything that the Cosmos has, but more. It's going to have a very luxury upgraded foot muff. It's going to have a changing bag and a very smart changing mat pouch, so that you don't actually ever have to don't always have to take your changing bag out with you if you're just nipping out, just to make sure you've got everything that you need to change baby's nappy. I mentioned that we've got a couple of different frame colours, and that the rose gold is going to come with a black fabric. We've pre-sold quite a few of them already to our existing retailers. That's the most popular one, and it has been so far anyway within the retailers. That's been very well received. The silver frame comes with a grey, which is grey. It's hugely popular too. It also comes with a very nice khaki colour. We're really excited to tell you a bit more about this over the next few weeks when we do a formal launch and etc. But we're very excited to bring this to market because it's going to be a great addition to the Diddify portfolio, especially with another gravity fold pushchair. The Cosmos Bloom is not the only new product that we'll be launching very soon. There's a very sneak preview of something we're very excited about, we've been working on for a while. It's called the Diddify Asta. The Asta is going to be pre-launched in the next few weeks, and it'll be ready at the beginning of February in the UK. So we're very excited about it. So the Asta, like everything else that we do, is easy folding. So you can see it's more of a stroller, more compact than some of the other travel systems that we've been doing. But I'm sure what you really want to see is, well, how does it fold? So it's got magic fold, is what we call it. It is as simple as click these buttons on the handlebar here, and then you just let go. There we go, it's done it itself. And to lift it up, it's really that simple. I'll try and move this a little bit this way so you can see a bit better. So let go, and it closes itself. I'll do it one last time for you there. Simple as that. So, other quick features, and I won't go into too much detail on this because we'll save some of the other unique features of it when we do proper launch. But in its compact form, it will go on a plane. It's hand luggage, which also is only 6.2 kilograms, so it's quite light. It is going to have the ability to take car seat adapters, which will take multiple car seats, again, like the likes of Maxi Cozy, Cybex, etc. It's going to come initially in the two colours. You've got the grey with the black frame that you can see here, but also the khaki with the lovely rose gold frame and the brown detailing. So we're very excited about this one. It's going to retail at £275, and we're coming with more details over the next few weeks with a proper launch.